This is a soon-to-be icosahedron, and it's actually made from the inside out of an icosahedron that I had just a minute ago. You can see it's just repeated connection of these units, and these units, maybe it's easiest if we just pick up one of them. These units start out as two-layer hexagons. They're 3 by 8. It looks like they start out as two-layer hexagons, and then they get folded in order to become the thing we need. I actually, since I'm in the process of literally turning it inside out, right? It used to, until a minute ago, I had one that was silver on the inside and blue on the outside, and I was still using the same ones. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit here by getting rid of these darker silver ones and using the lighter silver ones. So you see the inside of the icosahedron now is these 8 by 3s, right? But the inside here, right, these are actually 5 by 4s, the silver ones. So let's just make some silver 5 by 4 hexagons. Okay, I guess we need a few more than that. Okay, there we are. So we'll just wrap, and as usual, the tail's getting attached to other things. So 2 by 2. Hang on, let's get a card to really solve this correctly. Okay, so we've got our 2 by 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's a 3 by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's a 4 by 4. And let's see, to make it a 5 by 4, it should work to just wrap it around like this. We're going to need a few more of these though. Let's lengthen the chain a little bit. Okay, there we are. So if we just do 3 more wraps, usually that does the right thing, I think. Yep. Okay, so now we've got a 5 by 4, right? And we'll need another of these in a minute. Let's go right ahead and try putting it on here. Are we? So let's see. That actually means that we want to do this, I think. I'm terrible with polarities. There we are. Okay, so we've got our 5 by 4 in the middle of our 3 by 8, and now we'll just go right ahead here, and we'll bend them, right? So it's just like this. Yeah. Maybe we'll use the card to do this. Okay, so I think that's about as desired. You know, note that they get to the point where those touch, right? Okay, so now we can just go and keep assembling. 1, 2, closer and closer. 3, 4. So there we go. You can still got a little bit of a hole there, and that's because we haven't done this guy yet. Okay, so now let's do our 5 by 4 wrap. Off we go. There we are. Oops, sorry. Okay, so we've got our little 2 by 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's a 3 by 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's a 4x4, and we still need a little more because we're now going to go 1, 2, 3 more, and that gets you to a 5x4. And now, as usual, I'm going to attempt to figure out what the hell the polarity is. Oh, there we are. Okay, so we started with the right polarity, and again we use the card, go halfway, make a really tight turn, and I'm pushing it with my fingers as I do that, right? To get it tight, and you can see that I'm properly linked there. There we are, linked again there, and so now boom, there we go. So this is our icosahedron made of folded hexagons, and maybe we'll do something more fun to it later.